So, example 1. What's the test statistic if we assume that the true standard deviation for the sleep data is 2.5? Okay, we're going to assume 2.5. What's our test statistic? Well, which of these formulas applies if we're going to assume that the true standard deviation is 2.5? We're talking about a quantitative random variable. We're assuming sigma is known. We're up with the first one, the first thing here. And so what's our sample mean for the sleep data? For the data that I've got at 6.12, if you're talking about different class, different number, the hypothesized mean is 7. Mu naught is 7 in this case. So we're subtracting 7 from that. We said that we're going to assume the standard deviation is 2.5, so let's go with 2.5. For my class data, I have n equal to 185. So that's my test statistic. I can use MATLAB to find out what that's actually equal to. Alright, so if I already have x bar and I already have n, then I can just go x bar minus 7 over 2.5 on the square root of n, and that gives me a value of negative 4.79. So this thing here, this measures how far our data are away from the hypothesized value in standardized units, in standard errors. So our data is 4.8 standard errors below 7. How unusual is it to get 4.8 standard errors below 7? We're going to have to calculate a p-value to find out.